Welcome to this Genially starter guide. Let's start by creating an account. You can sign up by using an existing Google account or using your email. Once you are ready, let's log in. This is your main panel. Just click on Create Genially. Now click Presentations. Here, you can explore hundreds of templates. In a free account, you can't select templates that have the gold star. Just select any template that seems fun. You can use the arrows to view all the different slides that this template has. As you can see, there are slides for all your different needs. If you like the different slides that this template has, you can click on Use this template to select what slides you really need. Select all the slides that you want. Don't worry if you are not sure about some. You can always add or remove slides in your presentation. Once you are done, just click Add. Now sit back and wait for Genially to do its magic. You can see all your slides on the left. Let's edit the text on this first slide. To edit the text, just double-click on it. You can edit this text just like you would in Word or PowerPoint. Select it and type anything. On the top of your screen, you will see useful tools like font type, font size, bold, change color, align, and others. Play around with these different tools. In our next videos, we will cover other useful tips for editing your Geniallys. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you will create awesome presentations. Remember to visit the course site to get all of this information. It is all completely free.